Hi, Jerome. This is Viola over at Generational Leads. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me yesterday. Basically, in a nutshell, in this video, I'm going to go over three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, I'm pretty sure you're wondering, hey, why would I be doing this? And, what's in it for me? Well, pretty much, usually business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So the only thing that pretty much hesitates them is that they have a hesitation to hiring someone because they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that the giving people this easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their businesses for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Viola, and please go ahead and do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I have given to you to do for yourself, that works for me too. All right, so let me show you the three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So as you can see, this is your website. The first thing I want to go over is content. Google optimizes upwards of 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And right now, looking at it, you guys have approximately 450. And this will make a huge difference as far as you being optimized with Google. So that's the first thing I want to show you, because if you take a look at your competition, seeing that you guys do so much, you're doing carpet care, pressure washing, and restoration. I'll break down the three different areas I looked into for competition, but for the most part, let's take a look at AmericanRestorationServices.com. This company here is doing pretty good when it comes to their numbers. But the first thing I noticed on their homepage is that they don't really have as much content. If anything, you have more content than them, but yet they're ranking higher than you are on Google. And I'll explain to you where I got this information from. So let's take a look here. This is a little company I use called Ahrefs. I pay about $400 a month just to monitor people's businesses with it. And as you can see here, you guys currently are getting 0 clicks per month, which we definitely want to change that on Google. And if you look at the competition that I just spoke to you about, AmericanRestorationServices.com, they're getting 245 clicks per month. So I'm pretty sure that could bring some more revenue in your pocket if we could figure out how to make this, how you guys can beat them. Okay, so let me go back to you. Now, the next thing I want to talk about are keywords. Keywords are very important right here. You guys have 14 keywords. Keywords are basically the sentences or the keywords that people put into Google to find your business. Google my business, right? So you have 14 keywords, and they're not they're not being optimized because, like I said, there's no traffic. Nobody's clicking. See these two scales here? This should go upwards towards 100. Once you see it start filling in all the way green, that's how you know you're about to start seeing some more green over here too, and over here. Let me go to the competition and show you what I mean. Organic keywords. So people that are typing in flood restoration Atlanta, water damage near restoration near me, or any of these things, they're clicking on it, and this is the traffic. They're clicking on this right here 28 times per month. They're clicking on, people are looking for water restoration Atlanta 13 times per month. So if we can get this information somehow added into your content on the homepage, then you'll notice the clicks on Google start to increase. So, I love your website. It looks really good. I love the photos. It's easy access. But whoever created your website, sometimes website creators forget the importance of the information, and that's pretty much what people come to the website to do, right? They come here so they can find out more information. I mean, yeah, we like to see great pictures, but the honest truth is, give me more content, give me more information, and you'll notice you'll get more revenue in your pocket. Now, let's go back to your competition. Oh no, let's go here. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is our citations and backlinks. So if you look here, I just typed in restoration services Atlanta. The first thing we see here are ads. Don't really pay too much attention to the ads because they can be very expensive on Google. And a lot of times people know that these are people that paid for their ads and they're not really organic businesses. So a lot of times people bypass this, and then the businesses spend so much money on the ads, you don't even get to see the profit in your pocket because you have to put it back out for all these ads. Now, the second thing we see here is called what we call the map pack. And these are citations. Citations are basically areas throughout the internet where you will see your name, address, and phone number on different directories such as Yelp, Yahoo, even Facebook has a citation area. So on this, I went ahead because I'm sure you want to be here. Nobody goes past the first three or the first page, period. Nobody goes up to page 7 or page 6 to try to find what they're looking for. They stick with the top 3. So let's figure out how you could get up here. This is another company that I use. It's called White Spark CA that I pay about maybe 40 bucks a month to monitor it. I put your company in, as you can see. Oop, let's go this way then. Oop, go back. All right, you're right here. I won't highlight it, but this is you right here. Ultimate Carpet Care. And you guys have 18 citations, meaning that throughout the internet, throughout the different directories, you're connected 18 times. But when you start taking a look at the different competitions, I put in pressure washing. This pressure washing company is number 1. When I put in pressure washing Atlanta, they have 31 citations. You know, so on and on. The cleaning service, you notice they have 31 as well. Okay. No, that's the power washing service. The cleaning service has 24. So again, these are just ways, and they're very beatable. I mean, it's not like they're doing massive numbers where they can't be beat. You guys can definitely beat them out when it comes to that. And lastly, I want to talk about backlinks. Now, backlinks are basically links that are site A pointing to site B to give site B some more information. In other words, let's say you're on a blog and a blog is talking about the best carpet care, pressure washing, and restoration companies throughout Atlanta. And then they talk about your company and they go ahead and put your website and a link to it. That is a backlink because when they click on that link, it goes to your site. Backlinks make a huge difference. Let me show you. All right, right now you have 106 backlinks. If you look at the competition, they are currently at 1,100. Let's say 1,100 to 1,200 backlinks. So again, to beat your competition, we got to make sure we get your backlinks up. So let's get a quick overview. Went over 3 things. Very important, backlinks. Second thing, keywords. And lastly, content. So important for you to make sure that you have the right content and that you are getting the most of Google My Business. So when people click, they can find you. If you found this information helpful, give me a call at 404-345-2771 if you think that I can assist you with this. Otherwise, Jerome, again, thanks so much. And you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.